Hello guys, so our today's tutorial is on how to draw a polygon. This is very simple command. You can also see here. So firstly select all the planes and click on show. This is our regular procedure. So I just wanted to draw a polygon on the front plane. So I am selecting here the front plane only and click on sketch. So here is the our command polygon. So firstly only we need to draw the center point and the one end point of that polygon side. So this is our endpoint 1. So you can also see here, you can select the number of sides here. I'm just selecting here the 6, which makes us the hexagon. You can see also here the radius of that hexagon, which is the inside radius. You can also change the number of sides. Here is the 10 sides of that. So here is the 8 sides, so we can say it as the octagon. You can also know that here is the octagon. You can also change the circle at the outside also. So here is the option. You can see also here the changes done in the sketch. So the circle comes outside. So this is our simple command how to draw a polygon in Solidworks. So thank you.